Hi, Brad Fisher, VP of Channel Sales at RabbitRun. I'm here to talk to you today about RabbitRun and its flawless 4G failover powered by SOHO SD-WAN technology. So to emphasize key points, I usually like to tell stories about our partners or customers. It relates to the technology and the things we've just talked about. I'll tell just one today because of time, but I'll tell the one about the unhappy customer of a UCaaS provider. This probably is something that your customers might have experienced, is bad voice quality from time to time throughout the day, interfering with the quality of their communications with their customers. And in this case, it was so bad that they were having several call drops a day. They were referred by another RabbitRun partner to us, and basically they came to us saying the line quality is really bad. The area is very cost prohibitive to upgrade to fiber. And basically we're looking for a solution. We hear you have something. So we deployed the SOHO SD-WAN technology, our RRT200 LTE, into this customer. So the site was deployed very quickly. About 2 days, they had a device on site. Their tech connected the device, very easy install. We were able to connect to the device as soon as they plugged it in. We were able to do a remote assist with them, this new partner, to configure the final pieces of the partner configuration, implementation, and then do the test and turn up with them. Once it was running fine, we handed it back over to the customer, and they got back to us later on that day. The answer was they were very happy with the improvements on the voice quality. So basically, our congestion-aware QoS was able to handle and prioritize the traffic in and out of that internet connection, prioritizing voice over all others. They also had a business application that we prioritized, as well as some video applications. This was done via our QoS engine. The second piece is when the voice quality got so bad, or line quality got so bad, or congestion, then we were able to switch this over to 4G LTE to basically give them the bandwidth they needed for voice, video, or whatever applications they wanted to carry on the 4G, because we can limit that as well. In this case, the voice just failed over with our flawless 4G failover. It improved the quality, and then when the line conditions returned to normal, we quite quickly failed that back. This is then the design of our solution. We could fail over and fail back quite rapidly. The customer did note that there was a blip on the line once, maybe twice in a day, and that was actually our failover, failing over, and very, not noticeable on the fail back. So we were able to resolve this customer's problem, and actually even the next month protect them from a short outage that they had of an hour or so, and they didn't even notice that the service kicked in. So it's all automatic. So this particular customer is happy, and the partner basically is signed up with RabbitRun to provide this to more of their customers that are having challenges, and be able to manage these customers.